Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to my 30 days of sketches with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, day 23. I just have a layout share for you today. I used a lot of random stuff from my stash plus what I had of Cocoa Vanilla Sunkissed. I created a companion page to this earlier this month. I will have that linked right there in that card if you want to check that out. Or you can just go look for it on the lovely playlists that will be linked down below of everybody and all the videos for the entire month playing along with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy. This is number 10, which is amazing, and it's all exclusive sketches. People made sketches just for this. So I used the Fabulous sketch by Sherry Stewart. I love it. Used up a bunch of clear stickers from my Cocoa Vanilla, a lot of the other florals. I used these stickers from, I don't even remember what this sticker sheet is. Let's see if I can find it. Princess. I don't really know why I had this, but Echo Park 2014. That is how old that is. Is this, and then these are some thickers. This is from that sticker sheet as well. It seemed a little off balance. I feel like I need something. I think it's because I have black in my title, but it goes with that other page. It matches well. This is a Creative Memories paper. This is also from, and this was a random tag that I found at a give and take table at the retreat when I made this. And this is not from Cocoa Vanilla Sunkissed. It's from Daydream. So, anywho, this is my layout. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go see that awesome playlist and see all the fabulous people playing along. And check back tomorrow for another video. Bye.